Hi, today I'm going to share a very beautiful recipe of Arbi Patra. These leaves are called Arbi ke patte, or you can also say Arbi Patta, which is very popular in Maharashtra, Gujarat. So for that we need a paste made up of besan, salt, black pepper, haldi, and a bit of red chili. For me, these leaves are very nostalgic because my dadi used to make a very, very yummy chutney from these leaves. I don't know how she used to make it, but of course, the love is the most important essence. I guess most of us has done this, like spraying water over these leaves, which leave a very pearly drops. I never knew this recipe was so easy. You just need this paste and this Arbi Patra, and I will let you know from where I get these in Delhi, which was quite impossible to get. But while adding few stuff from Zepto, I just discovered and saw these leaves. That was quite surprising, and that was the moment I knew I want these leaves and try this recipe. So I was talking about the recipe. For this you need to layer it out with 4 to 5 leaves maximum, and applying this paste over each leaves and covering from the other leaf like this. See how beautiful is the process. You will feel the Indianness while making this recipe. This paste, which is like besan and turmeric over the leaf, it's so Indian aesthetic. So I'm feeling so traditional while making this. We will use this thread to make it sure that ये जब स्टीम के लिए जाए तो कहीं से भी खुल ना सके. I always feel the art behind making each food, Indian food, it is full of art. The process itself is amazing. You will feel so therapeutic while making anything or cooking anything. I always appreciate these handwritten notes and these extra efforts like this magnet and these stickers which fully describes me. Yeah, how I love being home. So basically, I ordered this tapestry which was like paper kind of background and a poem written over it.